1.5 pounds for a full English breakfast. Sounds incredible, right? Well, today I'm in IKEA Birmingham to try their cheapest breakfast to find out if it's an incredible bargain or just a cheap price for a reason. In this video, I'm going to try their portion size, taste and overall value for money. To find out, let's go! Today I'll be trying this full Swedish breakfast. Have I really hit the jackpot or is this my ticket to hospital? Let's find out. Nearly got stuck. If you love food, new flavors and discovering amazing places to eat, then you are in the right place. Join me as I travel around the world exploring delicious dishes, local favorites and unforgettable food experiences. Subscribe and be part of this delicious journey. Can I have two regular meat breakfast, please? Okay. No. Okay, we are in IKEA and we are trying breakfast and this is the breakfast. It's actually £1 only, but I've got the regular version. This is an omelette that is made from eggs that come out of chickens, pretty normal. And this is hash brown made from mashed potato and onions. This is chicken sausage, looks a bit burnt but that's fine. And this is bacon, looks pretty salty, I don't know what to do with it. And this is half tomato straight from the fridge. This is cinnamon roll that I got extra for 85 pence, not bad. Okay, this is the black coffee. So if you don't know, you can get free coffees during weekdays in IKEA. I think it's everywhere, not only here, but it's a pretty good deal if you are near IKEA. Okay, let me try this cinnamon roll. Looks good. Texture is very spongy. The inside is filled with sugar syrup and cinnamon things. It's a good deal for 85 pence. From my point of view, that breakfast was fantastic. Price wise 10 out of 10, taste 8 out of 10, portion wise 10 out of 10 for 1.5 pounds, no complaint. After that pretty decent breakfast, I am full and I would love to sleep here for whole day. As always, I couldn't resist checking out both the furniture and the food. Seriously, IKEA isn't just about beds and sofas. Their food hall is legendary. Honestly, IKEA is like a one-stop shop. You get your furniture and delicious meal all in one trip at a fraction of a cost. I hope you enjoyed my visit to IKEA today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.